Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer TRX from Trust Wallet to Binance. First, open Binance on your PC or mobile and make sure you're logged into your account. Now click on Deposit from the top right corner of the home page. Next, tap on Deposit Crypto. This will take you to the page where you can select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Here, search for TRX in the search bar and select it. You will now see your TRX deposit address and network options. Now open your Trust Wallet. On the right side, you will see the option to send. Tap on it, start the transfer. Here, click on all networks to view the available blockchain networks. Carefully select the same network as your Binance deposit to avoid losing your funds. Once the network is selected, tap on the token, for example PNB network if you are using PNB as a network fee currency. Now tap or paste the valid Binance TRX deposit address exactly as shown on Binance. Next, enter the amount of TRX you want to send. You can also double check the available balance in your Trust Wallet. Once all the details are correct, tap on Preview. Review all the information carefully, the address, network, and amount before confirming the transfer. Finally, confirm the transaction in Trust Wallet. The transfer will start and it will take a few minutes to reflect in your Binance account depending on the network speed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.